Okay, so we're going to replace a screen for a Hewlett-Packard EliteBook 840G3. This is my laptop here, and you can see it's had a little bit of damage along the top, and you also got lines down here. So we're going to swap it out and hopefully get it back to new. So we need to start off by prising these out. I've started already on this corner. I've used my finger, I've got a little bit of nail but nothing major, but you're just going round just where the edge of the silver and the black is, and that's where it's coming out from. And you can just get your nails behind there. I've seen other people use picking tools or little gadgets and things, but fingernails are good enough for me. I'm just working our way down the bottom. There's a little bit of sticky on there as well where they've got double-sided tape, but it's coming away okay. Apparently the tricky bit is where the hinges are down at the bottom. Which I haven't attempted yet. I'm not sure whether these hinges need to come out on this one. So the screen's off. We've got one screw here, 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 and here. Just a little small Phillips head. Them out. Two. 3. 4. And apparently just forward like so. There we are with our bit of tape. You can peel back. Slides out. We are with the new one. Again. Line up the cable, lock it in, I think it's done, and a little bit more on that side. Here like a very small click. Back up, line up your holes for the screws. pour. Moment of truth. There we go. Nice full user screen. Excellent. We've got the film on here. You just need to peel off. Now we know that good to go. Back. And then let's get in your front cover back on. As I said, there doesn't seem to be an issue with the hinge with these, well, this particular model anyway, this 840G3. So no need to fiddle about with the hinges, you just need to pop off the covers, 4 screws, so the double-sided tape on there to hold it in place, but I don't think that's crucial. You can hear it clicking back in place. Just work your way around. Same along the bottom. There we go. Job's a good one.